Today I've made 1 pot mutton curry. You need a pressure cooker. No need of any kadai or pan for this. With few ingredients which are available at home, you can make awesome mutton curry. Let's start. You need 900 gram of mutton with bone. The bone mutton always tastes much better than boneless. I've taken 3 tablespoons of oil, sunflower oil or coconut oil, it's your choice. I'm adding 1 cardamom and 2 or 3 pinch of fenugreek, that is vendayam. When fenugreek seed, that is vendayam, turns to light brown color, add 2 medium-sized onions, chopped long and thin. Don't burn the fenugreek seed, that is methi seed, because the curry will taste bitter. Add salt and saute it for a minute till the onion becomes soft. Now add 3 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger, that is 2 inch of ginger. I'm adding 2 green chilies. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and saute till the raw smell leaves. Add handful of coriander leaves chopped. Saute it for a minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, that is coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can add more pepper powder if you like. And 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. And 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And half teaspoon of fennel powder, that is saunf or perijeeragam. Curry leaves. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Roast the masala in low flame till the raw smell goes. Then add 2 medium-sized tomato chopped. Mix it well. And cover the lid till the onion becomes soft. The onion has become soft and masala has been cooked well. Now add mutton and mix it well. Wash the mutton well and keep it in a strainer. Let all the extra water comes out. If you add mutton immediately after cleaning, it will ooze out more water. Add salt. Now close the lid. Let all the water from mutton comes out. Now you have to dry all the water which is released from the mutton. This is very important step in this mutton curry. Now the mutton looks completely dry. Add 1/3 cup of warm water. Don't add hot water. Close the cooker lid. For me here, mutton took 5 to 6 whistles to cook. It smells good and it looks delicious. And mutton is cooked well. At the end, add few curry leaves and cook it for further 2 minutes in medium or medium-low flame. An easy and tasty mutton curry ready to serve. Thanks for watching.